in today's video we will see how to test a KitchenAid dishwasher float switch, check for leak and replace the switch. So the step 1, you can simple turn off the power, unplug the dishwasher or switch off the breaker, then turn off the water supply under the sink and open the dishwasher door and find the small round float at bottom front corner inside the tub. Then you can simple lift the float up and let that drop down. It should move freely. Then remove the lower front panel toe kick by unscrewing it. The fix 6, you can simple locate the float switch under the float. It has two wires connected to it. Then disconnect the wire carefully and set your multimeter to connectivity mode and touch the probes to the two terminal. Then in the step 9, you can simple lift the float while testing. If the meter beeps or shows a reading, the switch is working. If not, it needs replacement. Then in the last step, you can simple reconnect the wire and put the panel back and turn the power and water back on. Goodbye.